Good morning.
Anybody that knows anything knows we can't start a trip without a breakfast prepared by Eric.
Sir.
This is the fuel.
We camped last night at 8,000 feet elevation. We got about a 3,500 foot elevation climb. It'll take us 3 miles to get there. Probably looking at a 20-degree temperature drop, but that's why we got the clothes for it.
I'm a little worried. I'm the only one that didn't bring pants, but I think I'm gonna survive.
Part of traveling is kind of going off a limb and having the ability to figure out what you got to do on a day-by-day basis. So we're going to keep hiking and make the most of what we can. So 8,880 feet. We've got another 2,200 feet to go. It's 2:30, which means we've been hiking for about 3 hours. We've been climbing about 3,000 feet of elevation. Almost there.
How you boys feeling right now?
Winded.
Yeah, this hike's kicking our ass, that's for sure.
We still got another 2,000 feet to climb.
So we finally made it to the top of the mountain. It's about a 2.5 mile hike up here, 2.5 miles back down. Not too bad. As you can see, the lake is absolutely beautiful.
We're definitely getting some crazy drone shots. Eric just crash landed, but seems like it's all in one piece. So.
It is, but this motor,
It's done.
it's done. This motor's done. We'll see.
That's the risk of those beautiful shots, man.
That's right.
Blessed to see it.
The flight captain has checked with the dispatcher and now looks over the weather reports and charts en route.
Incredible, man. It's time to get back down, though, before dark. Trip of a lifetime. Said it once, say it 10 more times on this trip. They're definitely ready for this pasta pesto dinner we're about to have. Dude, it's gonna be delicious. Eric is the best RV cook. But shout out to Mike and Trusty too, though. They've really been pulling their weight. If anyone's been lacking, me and Jordan, we've honestly been living like kings on this trip. Like, I feel like I'm on a trip with my mom and dad. They're taking care of us.
It's 6:25 p.m. Just made it back in the RV.
About to dump, baby. Every night
We're
you
about
come
to dump
back,
the
and I'll take
cards.
a fat dump on Eric's computer. I'd shoot a movie here too. It's awesome being out in these elements. I literally have my camera in a bush right now filming myself. I don't think these beautiful natural environments like to be photoed or videoed, so they make it hard on you when you're trying to get these shots, but as you can tell, we're getting some good stuff, and every last hike has been worth it. So, see you guys at the next spot.